I wish everyone a happy and prosperous Chinese New Year. Today we'll be cooking a popular Chinese New Year dish which requires lots of garlic and a fresh fish.
My neighbor is more fresh.
Thanks. Hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome back and Happy Chinese New Year! So far, we've cooked two types of Chinese steamed fish. Today, we'll be cooking another version of Chinese steamed fish. This dish is very delicious, but it's not as commonly found in a restaurant. As a chef in a restaurant, would you like to prepare 3 to 4 tablespoons of minced garlic for just one dish? The fishmonger had already removed the scales, gills, and internal organs of the fish. The fish has also been butterflied. When the fish is butterfly, it will be cooked more evenly and also look more presentable. Just 2 thin slices of ginger is needed. Place the clean and dry fish on top. Mix half a tablespoon of rice wine with 3 tablespoons of chicken stock. The ginger and this mixture will make the fish taste less fishy. When the water is rapidly boiling, steam the fish for 7.5 minutes to 9 minutes. A fish that is butterflied has a shorter steaming time. The size and thickness of the fish, the type of steamer you're using are factors in determining how long to steam your fish. My fish required only 7.5 minutes to be perfectly cooked. Using a naturally brewed soy sauce is important, especially for steamed fish. Here we have 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Heat the soy sauce mixture in the microwave until it's warm and set aside. Now we're going to transform the minced garlic to become crispy, fragrant, and golden brown. We need 1 tablespoon of oil for each tablespoon of minced garlic. Test to see if the oil is hot enough. When the garlic sizzles, it's hot enough. I'm using 4 tablespoons of garlic. 3 tablespoons will be good too. Overcooked garlic will taste bitter. Just cook until lightly golden brown before draining half of the oil. This garlic oil is very fragrant and can be used in many recipes. We need about this amount of oil left over with the garlic for the steamed fish. Add the soy sauce mixture. The crunchy golden brown garlic will make the fish less fishy, more fragrant and tasty. Garnish with Chinese parsley. If you have other dishes, they need to be done before the steamed fish is done. Steamed fish cannot be kept warm while you're getting other dishes ready. The steamed fish will become overcooked. Chinese steamed fish tastes best when eaten with rice and as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.